In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send, transfer money from GCash to UCPB Savings Bank. Before we begin, make sure you have the GCash app installed, a stable internet connection, and the correct UCPB savings account name and account number of your recipient. Accuracy is everything here. One wrong digit can send funds to the wrong account, so keep those details handy. Start by opening the GCash app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, look for the transfer option and tap it. This is where GCash handles sending money to banks. If your interface looks slightly different, don't worry. GCash occasionally updates the layout, but the transfer button should still be easy to find on the main screen. Next, choose Local. This tells GCash that you want to send money to a bank within the Philippines. On the list of banks, use the search bar and type UCPB. When UCPB appears, tap it to proceed. Make sure you're selecting the correct bank entry labeled for UCPB so your transfer routes correctly. You'll now be asked to enter the amount you want to send. Type in the exact amount and take a second to confirm it's correct. If there are any transfer fees, they'll typically be shown on the confirmation screen before you finalize the transaction. After the amount, enter the account name and the account number for the UCPB savings account. Type the account name as it appears with the bank to help avoid any delays, and carefully enter the account number without extra spaces or characters. It's a good habit to read the account number out loud to yourself and verify each digit before moving on. When everything looks good, tap Send Money. Follow the prompts on your screen. You'll usually see a summary showing the bank, account name, account number, sometimes partially masked, the amount, and any fees. Double-check all of this information. If prompted for a one-time PIN, enter the code sent to your registered mobile number. Never share that code with anyone. Once confirmed, wait for the success notification. You'll see a receipt or reference number. Save a screenshot or copy that reference for your records, especially if you need to share the proof with the recipient. At this point, your transfer from GCash to UCPB Savings Bank is complete. That's the entire process. Open GCash, tap Transfer, select Local, search and choose UCPB, enter the amount, fill in the account name and number, then send and follow the on-screen prompts. Take your time with each field and you'll have a smooth, secure transfer every time.